Welcome to the Lifetime Assembly channel. My name is Isaac, and today I'm going to help you assemble your raised garden beds. Before we get started, make sure the model number of your garden beds are listed in the description below. This video will follow the steps outlined in the assembly manual that comes with the garden beds. So if you've already begun and need help on a specific step, check the description below for a timestamp associated with each step. All you need for this assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of safety glasses. We decided to use a Phillips head bit on a drill. If you decide to as well, be careful not to over tighten or over torque the hardware. This video is meant to be a companion to the assembly manual and not a direct replacement. So for the best results, have the manual on hand as you complete the build. It is also crucial that you refer to the assembly manual to review the safety instructions of this build to prevent serious injury or property damage. All right, let's get started. When assembling this product, you have two options. Two separate garden beds, or for plants that require deeper soil, you have one double garden bed. Locate these holes on each edge of each panel and insert a plug. Take two panels and insert the tabs at one end of a panel into the slit of the other panel and push down to lock into place. Repeat this process, adding a third panel. Then add the fourth panel. Repeat this process for the other four panels. You plan on making two separate planter boxes. Take the short corner brackets and insert them into these locations on each corner. If you plan on making one deep planter box, flip one of the boxes upside down. Place the other box on top of the box you flipped over, making sure the tabs interlock. Insert the long corner brackets where the boxes meet in each corner. You may need to push down on the corner to get the brackets to fit. Place the frost cover brackets in each corner, oriented like this, and secure with the hardware. Take the two tension rods and set them up like this. Place an end of a tension rod on top of the corner bracket in adjacent corners. Then place the other tension rod in the other corners going over the first tension rod. Place a frost cover on top of the tension rods. Then insert the straps into the brackets to secure it in place. Unzip the frost cover. Then on the inside, secure the center of the frost cover to the tension rods. Thank you for watching this video on how to assemble your lifetime raised garden beds. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer service team and check out our other amazing products at lifetime.com.